Today we're making bacon. Chef Anthony here. We're on our Wolf appliances. We're gonna cook them 5 different ways to show you guys which bacon is best for you. We're gonna put them in the oven in convection. We're gonna sizzle them in the cast iron frying pans. We're even making them in the steam oven and the microwave, guys. This is one you wanna tune into, and don't let any bacon left out, okay? Let's go. We're gonna cook it right on a piece of parchment so it cooks in the fat. Let's put our 5 slices right in. Check this guy out. This is really good if you're cooking bacon for a large amount, crew. You know what I mean? The cast iron only gives you so much room. All right, convection 350. Let's pop this in. Take 12 minutes. So I have my parchment paper underneath. I don't like to do dishes. We have some great bacon. Let's jump right into this. We want to go the length of the tray. We want to keep all the bacon in the run just like this. The advantage about cooking bacon in the oven is huge. You know, you can cook for, multiple families. You can cook for a ton of people. Now we don't have to worry about, in a frying pan. Plus it's less mess, less waste. So you'll see a better product yield here in the oven. We're gonna pop this guy right in the oven. Make some bacon, I love it, right? Let's jump right in. All right, convection 350, let's pop this in, take 12 minutes. Here's a quick chef's tip. We wanna roll this bacon. See how I'm rolling it right out? This is the best way to kind of get it off the slab, all right? So we're gonna throw 5 slices on here. We have our steam oven on convection steam. 375 degrees. So we have that high temperature with that moisture. We're gonna see how great this bacon's gonna look, right? Let's jump right to the steam oven. Pushing this up to 5. Now we're gonna put our bacon in. For good bacon, like this is a medium style bacon, it's gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes on each side to kind of achieve the texture and color we want. Let's flip these guys out. It's gonna take it right to the paper towel and get the excess grease off it. We're gonna use the Wolf microwave drawer here. So I have our microwave safe plate, and guys, to put less splatter, we're gonna use the paper towel. So put the paper towel right down. Now we'll shingle our bacon here. The microwave is the easiest method, and it's gonna be on high. We're gonna use it probably about 5 minutes, okay? Here's the deal though, we wanna cover it up. We don't wanna have to clean the microwave, all right? So let's jump right into microwaving bacon. Fingers crossed. Okay, finishing up bacon 5 ways. I have them all here. Here's the tail of the tape. Let's check out how amazing this all looks. First one here to my left, this is convection steam at 375. A great looking piece of bacon. Really held form, really cooked nice and easily. Tell you what, this is one of the best ones. I think this is an 8 out of 10. Whoops, 9 out of 10 now. Right here, this was our microwave bacon. So this was a shocker too. This turned out really well, crispy, maybe a little bit of texture issues, but nice and quick in our microwave. Can't beat that one, right? This right here was in convection in our oven, not on a wire rack, so just on parchment paper. This looks great too. Great sheen and color. This has the most flavor, right? Because it got the base and all that good juice, okay? This one was on the wire rack, so this one had a little bit less fat, a little bit the most crispy, I would say. So, if you're looking for a little bit nicer and healthier and you're cooking for a whole crowd, the convection on the rack is a very nice way to go. Our tried and true, the tested pan fried in our cast iron worked really well, but we had the most shrinkage, guys, and a little bit of uneven cooking as well, because, you know, in the frying pan, you know, it varies in temperature. So you see a lot of the shrinkage. I mean, even from here to the pan, I mean, tail of the tape. So you lose a little bit more moisture, you know, this way, but I feel like from the steam oven, you know, it's a great outlet. All great ways to an end product of amazing bacon, which we all love. So hopefully this helps you out, you know, determine which way you like to cook your bacon best. So I'm gonna eat probably a few pounds of bacon and have some fun. So hope everyone enjoys this. Thank you so much.